Do you want to know how building your brand through YouTube can make you way more money? How setting yourself apart with a brand on YouTube will get you more views and more subscribers? Everything is a positive when you build a solid brand on YouTube. Take a look right here at our channel art. And this is something that I'm constantly changing. I'm always tweaking this because I'm testing it. I want it to be quick and easy and to the point. Well, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can get your brand to be 100. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. If you want to learn to grow a massive YouTube channel that gets people calling you, begging to work with you every single day, well, I'm teaching every tip and trick in this channel. So make sure you tap that subscribe button, click the little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. All right, so let's talk about brand. This is something that took me some time, a lot of effort, and how you can initially get going with your brand immediately on YouTube. Whether you already have a channel or you're building a channel, brand is super important, and these are the steps you need to take to brand yourself, set yourself apart, and ultimately get a ton of home sales out of YouTube. So first and foremost, what is YouTube? You post videos there, people find them, they click them, they watch them. Well, that's only if you're doing it correctly. I've done tons of videos on which videos exactly you need to be shooting, but let's say someone clicks your video, okay? They're watching it. They're starting to get interested. You obviously did a video with a pain point of theirs. They typed something in, they found your video because it had a good thumbnail or whatever, they clicked it. Now they're getting curious. Okay, who is this? I'm going to really start digging into this person and see what else their channel has to offer. So a lot of times what people are doing is after that video, they're going to jump over to your channel. Now this is what's super important about the brand. Your channel needs to tell people this quick exactly what that channel is all about. One of the number one questions I get when I teach all these agents how to grow their YouTube channels is the channel name. The channel name is very important. Just as important as that channel art, your icon, the about section, but what your channel name tells people is exactly what they get. Now, I think, this is my opinion, I have tons of evidence and proof that it works. We renamed our channel, which is pretty easy to do. You actually just go into the Google settings and change your name there. Well, I figured I'd just show you since I'm here. So you go up to the top right and you click that button, and then you hit manage your account, and then you go right over and you're going to hit personal information. So once you select that, you'll see the second one down says name. You just choose that right there, and then you hit the pencil. You do need a first name and a last name. So my name is YouTube, last name Agents. So you will need a first name. Hit done, and that's how it is. But we were the Real Agent Now group. So when people went to our channels and it said Real Agent Now group, people had no idea what the hell that meant. Now we did. We knew it was a real estate team, and when people watched our stuff, other agents, they knew. But people, subscribers, viewers, they had no idea. Our brand was whack. Now, we changed it. I went to Living in Portland, Oregon. That is what our channel is about. If you want to know everything about working, eating, sleeping, living, playing, and living in Portland, Oregon, then this is the exact channel. So our brand went up 100. This is when our channel really exploded. And let me add, when you type in living in Portland, Oregon, boom, #1 search right there. So now we have that much more chance of people clicking and getting onto our channel from a search that gets searched thousands of times every month. Now, I'm definitely not saying you should put living in your city where you're at. You need to do a little bit of keyword research, but ultimately, making your name about your channel is going to help you significantly. So, if your channel is about Phoenix, Arizona, it may be we know everything about Phoenix, or Phoenix, Arizona living, or everything you need to know about Phoenix, Arizona, something like that. So if I were to click it, if I was moving to Phoenix, I watched your video, then I jumped onto your page, and it said everything that you need to know about Phoenix, Arizona, shit, that's exactly what I need. I need to know everything. I'm moving there. So yes, be clear with your brand. That is exactly what people need, and it needs to be short and sweet. Take a look right here at our channel art, and this is something that I'm constantly changing. I'm always tweaking this because I'm testing it. I want it to be quick and easy and to the point. Basically, subscribe to learn if you want to know everything about living in Portland, Oregon. That's pretty easy right there, right? If you came there and you were moving to Portland, Oregon, or you wanted to know information about it, and right there in a couple words it says, learn about Portland, Oregon, Boom. Now you know exactly what that's about. And that carries its way down into the About section. The About section needs to not be how great you are as a real estate agent, but what your channel is. Hey, this channel's sole purpose is to let you know everything you need to know about living in Portland, Oregon. We live here. We walk the streets. We know all the neighborhoods. We know east, west, north, south. We know the whole Portland metro. And so we love providing video content to people who are possibly thinking about moving, relocating to this city so that they are well equipped with the knowledge they need to know. So if you are wanting to know everything about Portland, Oregon, make sure you're subscribing to this channel. Or, if you're looking to move, relocate, and you need to buy a house, we're the go-to relocation experts. Make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. So all the information is in that About section. It's super easy when you land on our page to know exactly what our brand is. Hey, if you are loving these tips and tricks, please smash that like button. It really helps my videos. Comment down below if you've already started your brand or your number one question with starting your brand. So back to that channel art and the About section and everything else. Thumbnails. Less is more in the land of YouTube. Have you ever studied a billboard while driving by? Like, you gotta capture people's attention. So it's a big, bright picture with maybe 2 or 3 words. Like, that's really all you should have on your channel art. Not, I am the single greatest realtor in the planet Earth that's ever walked this face of the earth in California, so pick me. That's hot garbage. You need to be telling people in 3, 4 words what they get out of your channel. So really eliminate phone numbers, email addresses, all of that other verbiage that just throws people off, because they're going to land there and they want to know that quick. If not, they're bouncing. It's just like a billboard. And like I said, I've tested this. I'm not just throwing random stuff at you. We used to have the email, the phone number, and all of that crap, and it was just like all packed in there. And when you looked on a mobile phone, you could barely make it out, right? If they want to get a hold of you, they know how. This is 2020. Literally anybody can get a hold of anybody that quick. Now there's other areas. We put it in every single video. It is in our About section. It's in our description. So there's really no chance for them not to be able to find our number. So I get it off of there because we do want subscribers. Subscribers is the end game. And that is your brand. Your brand is going to pick up the subscribers and the people that you want to work with ultimately. So giving them that quick, short message, less is more, that is going to help your channel grow. All right, so let's really talk about the importance of brand. Brand is who you are. It goes into your thumbnails, it goes into your videos, and this is why people love our YouTube channel. And it's also why other people don't like our YouTube channel. And that is fine. We are truly defining our brand, and it comes to you, okay? This is not something you need to go building a YouTube channel. This is my brand, and that's how I'm going. Like, it's not like that. Your viewers, your subscribers, everybody starts pointing you into a direction, and it will inevitably come to you. So don't worry about that. But yes, if you are a family man of 3 kids, that's me. I talk a lot about living in Portland, Oregon with a family. And guess who calls me? Families. Buying a giant house here. I love it. They absolutely relate to me. They can't believe my story and all the information I provide. Now, Jesse, my business partner, he's single. He's always talking about the hot spots. Best neighborhoods for young professionals and singles. And guess who calls us there? All of these young professionals getting these new high-tech jobs and wanting a sweet condo downtown in the Pearl District or wherever. So we have found our brand. We know who we are, and we're not faking it. That's when we really started changing and really started growing, is when we just really were ourselves, telling our stories. Those videos do the best. They're not scripted, and those people absolutely love us. And that goes right into the videos you do. Like, I'm an animated guy. I'm a fast talker. I like joking and laughing. I put my kids in there, and I talk about brewskis in like every video. I love beer. I love brewskis. So I talk about it in all our videos, and you wouldn't believe how many texts we get when people are coming here saying, hey, Jackson, let's go out and grab a brewski. Hey, Jackson, man, let's go get some brewskis when I'm in Portland. Dude, are you kidding me? Dream clients. We're going and looking at $800,000, $1 million houses, and then we're going to go grab a brewski afterwards? That's brand. So I don't mean that you need to copy me. You need to really dig deep and be like, who am I? What is my niche avatar? You probably already thought about this. Who are the clients you've had in the past that you're like, oh my gosh, that was just perfect. We got along. That was like, everything was nice. Those people are on YouTube. There's 2 billion users on YouTube. 2 billion! And those people that are just like you that you're looking for, if you act like yourself and exactly who you are who you're going to attract. There's nothing more important than your brand when it comes to YouTube if you want to grow. So whether that's talking slower, talking faster, just make sure it's coming out as your opinion, as your story. Don't script things, don't read things, because that's not a brand. That's a fake you. And I really mean this a lot because I get that question a lot about teleprompters and scripts. Yeah, like if you want to put bullet points so you can remember exactly what you're going to talk about in the video, yes, you should definitely do that. I have one right here. I literally just have a couple lines. This whole video, 10 minutes, is about 4 little bullet points that I can work off of. But I know the information because I'm telling stories. I'm telling you exactly the pain, the struggles, and everything I've gone through in building 3 very high producing real estate YouTube channels that has really changed our life and bringing us in millions of dollars of sales each and every month for 100% free. And the other thing I figured out with my brand is what I liked. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I'm always researching. This is my job now, is YouTube. So I'm out researching, and the thumbnails that I started clicking, I was clicking just because they attracted me. Then I started thinking, holy crap, like if that's attracting me, I'm starting to see the same guy and I'm liking his videos and I'm liking his thumbnails. That was attracted to me, right? So I actually started emulating his thumbnails. I started emulating their style of videos. That in itself, like I said, it just comes to you, helps me to really define my niche avatar and people that really like me. They like my thumbnails. They're always clicking on them. They always see them. There's a lot of brand in my thumbnails, so if they search anything Portland, they're gonna see my face because I do so many videos and do the right thumbnails, tags, descriptions, everything to rank. But they're really starting to notice the same things. So like, oh, I liked that guy's video last time. Even if they have to scroll down a little ways, they're gonna find me, right? So, and if somebody doesn't like me, well, they probably won't click it. Or they're gonna click it, watch the video, and comment some nasty ass comment, but guess what? That's a view, that's a comment, social engagement. So, brand is everything. That gets people clicking. And your thumbnails, you really wanna start getting consistent. Go through YouTube and start seeing which thumbnails grab your attention and then start emulating those. And one secret tip, send those over to Fiverr for a couple bucks and you can have someone on Fiverr, if you don't know how to make thumbnails, even though I've done a million videos on how to do killer thumbnails, which you can see right after this video, but pay somebody a couple bucks. They'll make you the best thumbnails in seconds and then you will get way more views. And it'll be because of your brand. These are all tough things to kind of figure out on your own for sure. It's going to take you a ton of time, maybe time you don't have, but if you need to lean on somebody or get a bunch of ideas quick, I really invite you to come join our pro Facebook group. The link is in the comment in the description. It is filled with motivated agents getting phone calls in 2 to 3 weeks, literally, from growing our channel. They're growing so fast because of all the tips and tricks. Direct access to me twice a week, and literally any question you ever have at that second, you ask that group and it gets answered by me or by anybody else who's been in that struggle too. So invite you to make sure you go to the pro Facebook group, the YouTube agents. Again, the links are down below. I am telling you right now, get your brand set on YouTube and it will change your life. These videos will never go away. Even your kids are going to be able to use these for real estate leads. So get your brand going, get your YouTube channel going. This is the channel that does it. Do not forget to subscribe so you can learn more on growing that real estate YouTube channel. And now, well, those videos that are popping up, click on those to learn exactly how to grow your channel and you will be well on your way. Until the next video, we'll catch you later.